Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's kitchen. Today we're making tuna casserole. To begin, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add in half a medium-sized onion diced. Season with a pinch of salt and saute until the onion becomes translucent. Then add in 3 cloves of garlic minced, followed by 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook off the flour for about a minute or so. Once the flour has been cooked, add in 2 cups of chicken broth, followed by 1 cup of milk. Bring to a simmer until the sauce begins to thicken. After simmering for a couple of minutes, take the sauce off the heat and set it aside. Now, in a large pot of hot boiling water over high heat, add in 1 pound of egg noodles. Cook the noodles 2 minutes shy of the total cooking time on the package direction. For instance, this package says to cook the noodles for 7 minutes, however, I am going to cook them for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, remove from the heat and drain. Now, lightly grease a 9 by 13 baking dish with cooking spray. After draining the pasta, transfer to the baking dish. Pour the sauce over the noodles. Add in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 12 ounces of solid white albacore tuna, 2 cups of frozen green peas. Season with 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then toss until evenly incorporated. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. All we need now is the breadcrumb topping. Being that said, in a small mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix until combined. Then sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture over the pasta. Now bake at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the breadcrumbs are lightly browned. And if everything goes according to plan, your tuna casserole should look like this. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, tuna casserole. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.